CTET December 2018 question paper. Child Development Pedagogy Paper 1. Paper 2 students can also refer to this. Which one of the following statement is true about the role of heredity and environment? Answer. Certain aspects of development are influenced more by heredity and others more by environment. Which one of the following statements cannot be attributed to Piaget's theory? Answer. Learning takes place through constant practice. Which one of the following is not a limitation of the pre-operational thought? Answer. Development of the symbolic thought. Play has a significant role in development of young children for the following reasons, except. Answer. It is just a pleasant way to spend time. Which one of the following questions invites children to think critically? Answer. What are the different ways in which we can solve this? Which one of the following options best describes progressive education? Answer. Learning by doing, project method, cooperative learning. Which one of the following statements about progressive education explains education is life itself? Answer. Education in schools should reflect the social and natural world. Which one of the following can be considered as a contribution of Kohlberg's theory? Answer. His theory has supported an association between cognitive maturity and moral maturity. The zone of proximal development refers to dash. Answer. A context in which children can almost perform a task on their own with the right level of support. An androgynous personality dash. Answer. Has a balance of what are generally considered masculine and feminine traits. Children acquire gender roles through all of the following except tutoring. One of the critics of standardized tests has been that. Answer. They represent largely the mainstream culture and are therefore biased. The theory of multiple intelligence says that. Answer. Intelligence can be of several kinds. Teacher can utilize both assessment for learning and assessment of learning to dash. Answer. Know children's progress and achievement level. Which one of the following is not related to continuous and comprehensive evaluation? Answer. It is useful to label children as slow, poor, or intelligent. Giftedness in children can be attributed to dash. Answer. An interplay between heredity and environment. Children coming from socio-economically disadvantaged backgrounds need a classroom environment which. Answer. Values and uses their culture and linguistic knowledge. The intervention needed for creative and talented children in the classroom rests on. Answer. Use of customized and stimulating instructional methods by the teacher. Which one of the following ways is not a suitable way to help hyperactive children learn? Answer. Reprimanding them often for being restless. Patterns of divergent thinking identify children who are. Answer. Creative. Which one of the following does not describe the ways in which a teacher can model problem solving for children in the classroom? Answer. Ask questions with convergent answers. Which one of the following is an emotion? Answer. Fear. A 3-year-old child explains that milk is produced by a machine at a milk booth. Which one of the following offers the best explanation of the child's understanding? Answer. The child's answer is based on his/her experience of buying milk from the milk booth. Which one of the following best describes a teacher's role? Answer. Creating a relaxed space where children learn through dialogue and inquiry. Which one of the following classrooms encourages rich learning? Answer. A classroom with open activity corners and a variety of children's literature in open shelves accessible any time of the day. Which one of the following best describes the role of textbooks in the classroom? Answer. They are one of the resource and reference materials available in the class. The National Curriculum Framework 2005 derives its understanding from. Answer. Constructivism. The children in a class can be considered to be motivated if. Answer. They ask questions seeking clarification from the teacher. Which one of the following is the most suitable to improve children's learning? Answer. Teachers should facilitate children to interact with each other on real-life situations. The discipline which has a significant role in a learning environment is of the kind which helps. Answer. Children to regulate and monitor their own learning.